Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Good morning, just after 5 a.m. now, and starting to see these showers and snow really take shape across West Michigan. It is a bit slower than we initially thought it would be, really taking some time to see that take shape. Right now, the heaviest of rain down to the south near about Berrien County, headed towards I-94. That's where we're seeing it slowly push up to the north. And then just up to our north is when we're trying to see some changeover, especially towards the lakeshore. Some snow working to develop as temperatures are a bit cooler out there. This is going to be eerily similar to the conditions we saw back on Friday. If you remember, I-96 was just about that cutoff line where we saw the difference between rain and snow. So that'll be the case once this officially starts to take shape here within the next hour or so. Until then, things moving along pretty nicely on roadways. No concerns just yet. In fact, I think they'll be treated well enough that we shouldn't run into too many slowdowns. Across the region, you can see South Haven starting to pick up some of those showers. Muskegon, a similar situation. Visibility is down across the region because of these snow showers, so keep that in mind as well. Now, temperatures are, again, problematic. We're sitting near freezing up to the north, which again is going to push that precipitation in that snow direction. But near and south of I-96 and towards the lakeshore on the warmer side, or at least warm enough that we can see some rain rather than that snow. 38 degrees in Kalamazoo, 40 in Benton Harbor, and 36 in Holland. We'll call it a wintry mix because it really will be contingent on what you'll see across the region. But really good chance you're going to see that through about noon today. Those chances do become a bit lighter and more scattered as we head into our later evening hours. And I'd say most of us overnight will maintain dry conditions. So here's that future cast. That rain that we're seeing down to the south continues to push to the north. We will see some heavy rain, especially along I-96 here later this morning. But then as this continues to develop, we'll start to see that changeover around 9 or 10 a.m. Some light snow north of I-96. Scattered showers continue to the south. It'll continue to be scattered as we head throughout our afternoon and evening. So not necessarily a complete washout, and then really just seeing some pockets of rain as we head into those later evening and overnight hours, but the vast majority of us will be dry. We will pick up some totals from this, anywhere from about a tenth to maybe a half of an inch for some of us, especially near I-94 down to the south. This model in particular indicating about 4/10 of an inch in Kalamazoo. Here in Grand Rapids, a little bit closer to that 1/4 inch. Snow amounts are certainly underwhelming. To the north, we could see anywhere from about a trace to an inch, but remember, it'll melt pretty quickly on impact, so not even necessarily sticking around for very long. Monday will be a mostly dry day. There's a chance for a few scattered showers or a little bit of a wintry mix, as I showed you, overnight into those early morning hours. But for the most part, it'll be cloudy and cool with a high near 39. Tuesday, we see once again a very similar situation. The chance for a wintry mix, snow to the north, rain to the south, and will dry out again on Wednesday. This is really going to be kind of the case for us as we look towards our 8-day forecast. We are in an El Nino year, which typically means we see above normal temperatures and drier conditions. And that is going to be the case again a couple more times this week. We're tracking Thursday, or keeping an eye on Thursday, that we could once again have a wintry mix. But notice those temperatures do warm by the end of the week. We'll see those highs in those mid-40s, which really pushes us towards that rain direction. A chance for some showers on Saturday, and then likely back to that wintry mix as we look ahead to Sunday.